Hello, everyone, and welcome to Everyday English Talks, the channel where learning English feels natural, simple, and fun. I'm your host, Mila, and I'm so happy to be here with you today.
And I'm your co-host, Ethan. Hello, everyone. It's great to spend time with you again. Grab your tea, coffee, juice, whatever you like, because today's episode is long, relaxing, and full of useful English.
Oh yes, today we're talking about something we all have, every single day.
Daily life.
Let's start from the very beginning, waking up. Ethan, tell us the truth. Are you a morning person?
Mila, absolutely not. Mornings and I, we are not friends.
I knew it. So what happens when your alarm rings?
Well, first, the alarm rings. Second, I get angry at the alarm. Third, I press snooze. Fourth, I regret everything when I realize I'm late.
Oh no, you're a classic snooze button person.
Yes, I'm guilty. You?
I'm the opposite. I wake up before my alarm. I open my eyes like, "Good morning, world."
Wow. I wish I had that energy. My morning energy is like 2% battery.
Okay, so first thing in the morning, what do you do?
I go straight to the kitchen like a zombie looking for coffee.
Zombie coffee walk. Yes, many people understand that.
Exactly. I drink my coffee black, strong, no sugar, just life juice.
I drink herbal tea in the morning, something warm and calming.
Herbal tea in the morning? You wake up early and drink tea? Okay, Mila is officially from another planet.
No, I just like a slow morning. I sit near the window and enjoy quiet time.
Meanwhile, my morning is loud, fast, chaotic. I spill coffee. I can't find my socks. My phone is dead. Everything is on fire.
Your morning sounds like an action movie.
Exactly. Mission Impossible Wake Up Edition.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I call it emergency breakfast. A banana, maybe a piece of toast, sometimes just coffee.
That's not breakfast, Ethan. That's survival.
Yes, survival mode activated. What about you?
I love breakfast. Eggs, yogurt, fruit, sometimes oatmeal with honey.
You're living a luxurious breakfast life.
It's simple. I just enjoy eating in the morning. After breakfast comes getting ready. How long does it take you?
15 minutes maximum
15? That's so fast.
because I always wear the same thing. Black t-shirt, blue jeans, done.
Oh, so you have a uniform.
Absolutely. It saves time and saves my brain.
I take longer because I choose clothes based on my mood.
Ah, yes. The standing in front of the closet for 20 minutes problem.
Yes, sometimes 30.
So, how do you go to work?
I take the bus. It's crowded sometimes, but I listen to music or a podcast.
Good choice. Public transport gives you time to think. What about you?
I drive my car, and I sing loudly, very loudly.
Oh? Are you a good singer?
Absolutely not, but in my car, I am Beyoncé.
Okay, superstar. So, what's your workday like?
Emails, meetings, more meetings, then coffee, then one more meeting.
Sounds busy.
It is, but I enjoy talking to people. What about you?
My work is organized. I plan, I teach, I answer messages. I love helping people learn English.
Aw, that's sweet. Lunchtime, the happiest time.
Yes, food. My favorite part of the day.
Do you bring lunch from home?
I want to, but no, I usually buy a sandwich.
I prepare my lunch at home. Vegetables, rice, chicken, something simple.
You are officially the organized half of this podcast. Let me guess. 3 p.m., you get sleepy?
Yes, my brain slows down. My eyes are like, we are closing now.
Me too. I drink tea or eat a small snack.
I like fruit or nuts.
I like cookies.
Of course you do. What's the first thing you do when you get home?
Shoes off, bag down, couch.
Just couch?
Yes, the couch is my best friend after 6 p.m.
I change my clothes, wash my face, and relax a little.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, most nights. I enjoy it. I put on music and cook slowly.
Wow. I either cook something fast, like pasta, or I order food.
Let me guess. Pizza.
How did you know?
It's always pizza with you. Nighttime.
Evening is my relaxing time. TV, YouTube, scrolling on my phone.
I read books sometimes, or I watch something light and fun.
What time do you sleep?
11 p.m. What about you?
I sleep late, midnight, sometimes 1 a.m.
And then you suffer in the morning.
Exactly. It's a cycle.
Wow, we covered our entire day.
From alarm clocks to pajamas.
Thank you to everyone who listened today. We hope this conversation helps you learn natural English.
And please remember, if you enjoyed this episode, like, subscribe, and share Everyday English Talks with a friend.
Before we go, here's your question of the day. Are you a morning person or an evening person? Tell us in the comments.
We can't wait to read your answers. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.